So let's stop paying for Gemini and ChatGPT and let's install our own LLM model into our PC directly into our GPU. I will show you exactly step by step how to do this. It's very simple, but as always, if you run into any problems, you can ask AI, of course, and drop a problem in the comments below. Maybe someone knows the solution. So also don't forget to download your PDF guide. I made this so this can be easier to follow. First thing that I recommend you to do, don't install anything yet. Install. This is called Specie, a super small and extremely useful piece of software, completely free, no viruses or other things. And when you run it, you can see your configuration here. And all you need to do is to go File and click Save as Text File. And it will ask you to save the text and just save it on your desktop. And over here on the left side, if you open this up, you will have this massive text file with your configuration. You don't need to know anything about this, so just close it and upload it into a ChatGPT or a Gemini, because then the ChatGPT or Gemini will recommend you the best model that you will download. So in this video, I'm installing the best model for my PC. Not best, but recommended. And so you download yours, but the installation and everything will be practically 5 times identical. So let me show you what is the next step. First step is that we need to download Ollama, and this is software acts as a host for your local models. It's lightweight and run in the background, and later you can create API so you can communicate with your model. So go to the website, I will leave the link in the description below, and click download for Windows. After we download Ollama, we need to check out if our graphic card is up to date. So I go to, and over here it says it's up to date, so everything is fine. We just run the Ollama setup and just click install. The next step is to install our model. I will use the GPT-OSS 20B because I will later scrape some internet information. Just press Windows key, type in CMD, command prompt, and paste it here. And I will put also this in the description so you can paste it, copy paste, and hit enter. So now I'm gonna get my coffee and see you in a few seconds. The model is finally downloaded, so let's quickly test it out and see if it works. Over here where you see send message, just click it and I will paste one prompt. It's explain what an autonomous AI agent is, but explain it like I'm a 5-year-old, and hit enter. And it looks like it's working some magic over there. And as you can see, it works very nice. You can use it just like any Gemini or ChatGPT prompt. So just type in prompt and you will get the response. And if you like this video, let me know in the comments below. Let me know how it goes, because every PC is different, and I wish you luck doing this, setuping this. And don't forget to download the guide if you want, so you don't need to rewatch this video all the time. Although I highly appreciate the retention rate and the engagement on YouTube. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in some other video.